Hello everyone, this is Shweta Singh and today I come in front of you with the chapter Fraction, Class 6 NCERT book. It's exercise 7.2 and question number 2. So let's start. What is in question number 2? Express the following fraction as mixed fraction. So we have given some fractions and we have to convert these fractions into a mixed fraction. How we have to convert the simple fraction into a mixed fraction? Let's see. In A part, we have 20 divided by 3. So, we have to solve this problem. A part, solution of A part, 20 divided by 3. This is simple fraction. We have to convert into a mixed fraction. First, we have to write, this is numerator and this is denominator. How we have to written this number? 3 here and then we have written 20 here and 3 6 are 18. It will go 6 times and we get 18. Now we subtract and we get here 2. So this is remainder. How we write this fraction in the form of mixed fraction? How we can written? The first we have to written this part. The denominator part is always down. So when we write in mixed form, there also it will comes down part. So I have written 3 in the down part here in the denominator part. In any mixed fraction we have two parts. I have told you earlier. One is whole part and the another is fraction part. So in denominator we get 3, this 3 in down portion, and the remainder always comes up. Where it comes up in the where it comes in the numerator. So remainder comes here, and how many times it will go? 6 times. So this 6 will come here as a whole part. So I have written this 20 upon 3 in mixed fraction. See, 6 is to 2 by 3. How we can written here? 6 is to 2 by 3. I will repeat this one more time. If we have given some simple fraction, we have to convert this simple fraction in mixed fraction. First we have to divide this number. 3 divided by 20. 3 6 are 18 and remainder we get is 2. Always the number which is comes down in denominator part, it always comes in denominator part, and the remainder always goes up in numerator part. And how many times it goes? This part always comes in whole part here in front. So I have written this fraction like 6 is to 2 by 3. Now move to the next part. So see part B. 11 upon 5. How we can write this? 5 here, 11. We have to divide this 5 with 11. 5 2s are 10. After subtracting we get here 1 as a remainder and 5 comes down in denominator. So how we can write in mixed fraction? This down part comes down, denominator comes 5 here, then remainder always goes up. Remainder will come here 1 and the whole part is comes here. This 2 times comes here as a whole. So I can write 11 upon 5 in this form as a mixed fraction. 2 is to 1 upon 5. We can write 11 upon 5 in the form of mixed fraction. 2 is to 1 by 5. I hope understand. Let's move to the next part, part C. In part C, we have 17 upon 7. 17 upon 7. We have to divide 17 with 7. 17 2s are 14. After subtracting we get 3 here. So I told you earlier 7 comes down always. So denominator always comes down. So 7 comes here and the remainder always goes up. So the 3 will come here in numerator part, and this times 2 times it will goes 2 times. So this whole part will always comes in front. So I write 2 here. So I can write 17 upon 7 in the form of mixed fraction. 2 is to 3 by 7. Now move to the next part. In D part we have 28 upon 5. So 28 in D part we have 28 upon 5. How we can solve this? 5, 28. 5 5s are 25. It goes 5 times. We get 25 here. After subtracting we get 3 as a remainder. So I have written this in the form of mixed fraction. The denominator always comes down. So I have written 5 here. And remainder always goes up. So I can write this 3 here. And the whole part always goes in front. So I can write this 5 here as the whole part. So I can write 28 upon 5 in the form of mixed fraction. 5 is to 3 upon 5. Now move to the next part. This is part E. 19 upon 6. We have to write 19 upon 6 in the form of mixed fraction. So I have written 6 here, 19 here, and 6 3s are 18. It will go 3 times. 6 3s are 18. After subtracting, we get remainder 1. So as we do earlier, what we will do? 6 always comes in denominator part. So I have written 6 here. Remainder always goes up in the part of numerator. So 1 goes here, and the whole part always go in front. So 3 will come here. So I can write 19 upon 6 in this way in mixed fraction. 3 is to 1 by 6. Now move to the next part. This is part F. F part 35 upon 9. So in this part we have written 35 upon 9. Now solve it. 9 divided by 35. 9 की टेबल पढ़ते हैं. 3 times 9 3s are 27. 27 because in 4 times it will goes it get increasing. So 9 3s are 27. After subtraction we get 15. 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. We get 8. And now we have remainder. This time we have remainder 8, and I can write this in the form of mixed fraction. This 9 in denominator part, here it also comes in denominator part, and the remainder always goes up. So I can write 8 here, and the whole part comes in front. So I can write 3 here. Now I will recheck this. Is it true? It is correct or incorrect? So how we can check? 9 3s are 27. This number will get multiplied with this, and then we can add this. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So it will become now equals to 35 upon 9. So our procedure is correct. So I can write 35 upon 9 in the form of mixed fraction. What? I can write this 3 is to 8 upon 9. Thank you for watching. This is the part A. This is all part of question number 2. Now move to the next part.